Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Galaxy DX-99V2. This is from Matt in Idaho. It's a tune-up report. Alright, let's go power all the way down. Make sure the mode's in AM. Make sure that meter's set for 10 watts. It is. Key to mic, we get 1 watt all the way down. And if I turn it all the way up, it's going to go right to 10, almost. Peak power, 100 watt scale. I could probably put a 50 in there. Make it look a little better. So now we're reading the middle scale of that. Audio. Audio, check. Audio. Gotta get closer. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. Alright, and then we kick it over to sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Technical difficulties. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Had to plug the camera in. What other mode do we gotta check out for you guys? I think we just have to go to there. Hey, Banker 19 for radio check.
You good, driver?
Thanks, driver. Appreciate your time.